If you want to catch more fish with finesse techniques, the drop shot knot is a must-know knot for any angler. It keeps your bait suspended above the weight off the bottom, giving it a supernatural presentation that fish can't resist. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to tie the drop shot knot step by step. All you'll need is some fishing line, typically a lighter weight line for a finesse technique like this, a hook like a straight shank hook, and a drop shot weight. For the purposes of this video, I'll be using white braid just so you can see it better. Let's get started. First, grab the hook in one hand and the tag end of your line in the other hand. It's important that you thread the line through the hook starting at the top of the hook. And by the top, I mean the side that the sharp point of the hook is on. Thread the line into and through the eye of the hook and pull until you've reached your desired length of tag line. I usually pull about 6 to 18 inches of tag end, depending on how high I want my bait to sit above the weight. Next, take the tag end of your line and you're going to fold it over, creating a very basic and simple loop right at the base of the hook. I like to pinch the loop between my fingertip and the eye of the hook just to hold it in place for the next part. Next, rotate the loop, moving the hook to the top, and hold the line on both sides of the hook. Now is a good time to pull on the tag end, closing the loop down in size until it's just bigger than the length of the hook. If your loop is shorter than the length of the hook, you won't be able to do the next part. Next, you're going to take the hook and twist it around the loop line and the main line both, wrapping it 4 to 8 times. The lighter your line, the more wraps you're going to want to do. Next, hold the main line and tag line with both hands and slowly start to pull them apart. This will cause the knot to begin to form on both sides of the hook. Pull on the line until the knot is cinched down, but don't cinch it down super hard just yet. If you notice a small part of the line is left on the shank of the hook, simply use your fingers to pull it up and over the eye. Once all the line is off the shank, go ahead and cinch it down, locking the hook into place. At this point, you should have a nice flat hook held in place by the knot on both the top and bottom of the eyelid. Finally, attach your drop shot weight to the tag end using a simple overhand knot or just threading it through a quick clip weight. The quick clip weights are nice not only because they're easy to attach, but they can also save your whole drop shot rig if you get snagged. Usually the weight will just pull off the line and all you've lost is the weight rather than the weight, the hook, the lure, and the line. So I like using these quick clip weights. And that's it. That's how you tie a drop shot knot, one of the best finesse fishing knots out there. If you want to learn more essential fishing knots, check out this next video right here and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.